Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. In the previous video we took a look at installing Exchange 2019. Now that the setup is complete, you're wondering how you can manage Exchange 2019 using the Exchange Management Shell. It's quite simple actually. Right, so there's two steps to this. First of all, we need to enter PowerShell. So from here, you can type in PowerShell, press enter, and now you can use the snap-in. Now it looks like nothing happened, but if I go and type in command and tab, you can see that even though I'm in an elevated command prompt, now within PowerShell, I've added the PowerShell snap-in for Exchange, I can run my commands. Simple. ECP virtual directory, for example, as you can see, there's all the commands running from Windows Server Core. And that is pretty much how simple it is to manage Exchange now using the Exchange Management Shell Windows Server Core. Thank you very much for watching.